Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toothpaste and a soft cloth. A small amount of whitening toothpaste, which is slightly more abrasive than regular toothpaste, to a soft, clean cloth. Buff the scratched glass in small circular motions. The grit in the toothpaste is enough to remove small scratches from tempered glass.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Toothpaste, Brasso, Displex, and Polywatch are the most commonly endorsed polishing agents. The process is as follows. Cover the bezel with tape for protection during polishing. While using a soft polishing rag, or similar, work a small amount of your chosen substance into the scratch in a circular motion.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Polish glass scratches away with Brasso. Turns out it makes a perfect glass scratch filler. Before attempting to polish away the glass scratch, clean the entire area. To buff out scratches in glass, put a dab of Brasso brass polish on a soft cloth and apply it in circular motions over the glass.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Start by cleaning your glass with your usual cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Next, dab a small amount of toothpaste on the scratch before using a damp washcloth to rub it across the surface. Use gentle movements to avoid causing more scratches. The toothpaste will gently polish away the scratches.
Take our lead.
Start by cleaning and drying the glass surface. Add a small dab of toothpaste directly onto the scratch and rub in a circular motion with a damp, lint-free rag or cloth. Rub for 30 seconds, then wipe it off and rinse with water. If the scratches still appear, repeat the process.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.